Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review a vacuuming and sealing machine by Fresko. So this is Fresko fully automatic vacuum sealer machine. It is all about sealing and vacuuming your food with a smart bag. So why do we want to use food vacuuming and sealing machine? So vacuum and sealing is protecting the food. It is there to protect our food from oxygen. So oxygen is often causes dehydration and freezer burn by vacuum sealing. This method prevents air from coming in contact with your food, and by that way it's protecting the taste and the texture of the food, which is usually ruined from moisture escapes from the vacuum plastic bag. So vacuum sealing is there to keep the juices, the moisture, and the flavor of your food inside the package. It's making it taste significantly better than any other normally stored food. This is why you always want to use vacuum and sealing for your food, just to get this richest, best, like juicy type of a taste of your food. Now, any food that is going to be stored in vacuum and sealing type of bags that comes from the vacuuming and sealing machine gonna taste better, gonna stay fresh longer time, and just gonna keep the nutrition inside for a better way. So this is why a vacuum and sealing machine is necessary if you wanna live a better life with a richer taste. So guys, this is why today I am reviewing this vacuuming and sealing machine by Fresko. And well, let's get started with the review. I'll show you everything I learned and I'll tell you all the tech details about this machine. Well, let's get started. So this is a fully automatic vacuum sealer machine by Fresko. It is all about the fully automatic operation. With the patented intelligent bag, you are welcome to dry or moist your food detection, as well as it supports automatic locking, vacuuming, and sealing technology. You simply place the food-filled bag into the vacuum machine and it will do the rest for you. So you are very welcome to enjoy the convenience of a fully automatic vacuum sealer for your food. It is all about the performance. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It is allowed in two different colors, black silver or bright silver. And the interface is very easy to understand and very user-friendly. It's easy to operate this machine and it's very intuitive to understand how to use this one. This Fresko AutoMax vacuum sealer features a powerful 140-watt motor by delivering a robust suction of 18 liters per minute to effectively remove air and to vacuum and seal your food in the best possible way. It can seal up to 50 bags continuously in just 20 minutes. It will work perfectly for any type of a bulk food preservation by saving you both time and money. It's extra easy to use. As I said before, this vacuum sealer machine is equipped with an built-in cutter, so it's easy and fast to cut the plastic bags. It's adding more efficiency to the work and it's basically easier to use as a result. It has a bag storage as well, and it's a fully automatic operation type of a system, the entire thing. It has a minimalist control panel with power, pulse, and external VAC functions. Its simple design ensures a safe and easy use, and that type of a design is even comfortable for the elderly. It's very user-friendly. As I said before, this vacuum food sealer has a detachable chamber and an intelligent liquid detection. If it's gonna be any type of a liquid detected, it's gonna automatically alert you about it, as well as it's gonna be alerting you when the cleaning is needed. The placement of the bag, at the beginning of the process, it's an easy thing to do and it's very optimal for the user. The sealing performance and the vacuum performance are great results as well. Now, to ensure a proper seal, you must leave 4 inches of space between the bag opening and the food. It comes with a fully starter kit, so if you are beginning at the vacuuming and sealing your food, well, this one is going to be perfect for you, as well as if you are a professional already. This is an affordable and great option for everyone out there. But if you are a beginner, it comes with a starter kit and it's all going to enhance your culinary journey. And the starter kit, it's necessary, especially if you don't know what you are doing. Now, how to use to vacuum and seal. First, place the bag opening under the green baffle. Next, close the lid. Vacuum and seal will start and begin automatically. You're done. Then you have the manual vac option. To do manual vac, just place the bag opening under the green baffle, then close the lid. Then immediately as you close the lid, press and hold the pause button to vacuum, then release to seal. Done. You can make customized bags. To do so, open the lid and cut a rack. Pull out the vacuum bag as needed and cut to your desired length. Done. If you want to seal only, you need to place the bag opening under the red baffle, not the green, but the red. Then close the lid seal automatically and it will do the job by itself. Done. Now, if you want to do an external vacuum, this this machine supports that as well. Take out the hose, then connect it to whatever you wanna vacuum as external vacuum product. Press the button for the hose. Done. Now using that type of a sealing and vacuuming machine is gonna save you money. So the brand did the comparison for us. The brand compared home cooking via meal kit via eating at the restaurant. And they've got this data for an average price per serving based on 86 meals. As you can see, the restaurant is going to be the most expensive option. Meal kit is going to be the half expensive option. Well, groceries are so expensive today. I easily believe that. And then if you're going to do home cooking, it's going to be only $4.31. That's the best option out there. So purchasing bulk food items and portioning them into vacuum sealed bags for home meal preparation and cooking, definitely more cost effective than anything else. This machine will work for various types of food, any type of a moist food like steak with blood, salmon, and so on, any dry food like nuts, beans, flour, any fragile food as well like cookies, potato chips, biscuits, and so on, any soft food like berries, strawberries, bread, as well as any marinated food like marinated meat, jam, sauce, and so on. So basically it can work for any type of food out there. In general, guys, this vacuum and sealing machine by Fresko, all about innovative products and better life. It saves tons of time, so you can plan your meals in a busy schedule by prep packing them ahead. And this is how you will keep your food fresh, always. It's a very simple and convenient type of a product, and it is all about to promote the healthier eating habits for us. It's all automated, as I said, and it has the moisture detection, which is really important. Guys, I truly hope this review was helpful for you. Please let me know your opinion about this Fresko vacuuming and sealing machine. Please let me know what do you think. Please let me know how do you store your food. I had no idea about the huge difference between the taste. So today, thanks to this machine, I know that was my very first experience in my entire life with a vacuuming and sealing type of a machine. This is the very much first machine that I ever used. I didn't even know there exists, and the food actually tastes way better outside of these vacuums bags than if I will just store it in the classic and regular way. So guys, I will highly recommend you to check this machine out. Also, the vacuuming hose that you can actually use it for your clothes when you're packing, or just to store stuff around your house like your socks or your underwear or whatever, any other thing that you don't want to get in contact with the oxygen, with the air that we're breathing, with the atmosphere, with the environment. Well, it's actually all in one. So you can vacuum and seal any type of a stuff as well as you can vacuum and seal any type of a food. It's just a win-win. It's the best thing you can get out there, in my opinion. This machine, it's one of these things that you live without and you're like, okay, but then once you got it and you use it for a few days, you just cannot understand how could you live your entire life without that type of a machine, without that type of experience. This is how much it's going to change your life for the better. I'm absolutely a big fan of this machine. So guys, I will highly recommend you to check Fresko out. I'll leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine. They're available on Amazon. So I'll leave you all the necessary information, as well as there is going to be any type of discounts or coupon codes. I will leave you all the information, all the promotions, sales, coupon code, discount code, everything down below to this video of mine at the description box. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. That was actually all for today. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. How do you store your food? And did you ever tried or heard about vacuuming and sealing machines before? Well, subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.